Welcome to my channel Luxury Car 001. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting electric vehicles set to make waves in the automotive world, the 2025 GMC Hummer EV Concept. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. A bold, electrified reimagining of a once gas-guzzling legend, now reborn with modern tech, raw power, and next-level design. Let's talk about the look first. The 2025 Hummer EV Concept is a visual powerhouse. It keeps that classic, squared-off Hummer shape but gives it a futuristic edge with ultra-slim LED lights, a light-up front grille that screams presence, and muscular lines that demand attention. It's rugged, but refined. A beast that's been cleaned up and supercharged with style. Under the hood, well, metaphorically, since it's electric, you'll find something seriously powerful. The concept model is expected to push out up to 1,000 horsepower and a jaw-dropping 11,500 pound-feet of torque. Yeah, you heard that right. This thing moves like a sports car but looks like a tank. 0 to 60 in around 3 seconds. That's supercar speed in a full-size electric truck. GMC isn't playing around. But this Hummer isn't just about power, it's packed with some mind-blowing features. The most talked about is crab walk, which lets the vehicle move diagonally by turning all 4 wheels at once. It's perfect for tight trails or showing off in a parking lot. Then there's the extract mode, which lifts the suspension to help you clear huge obstacles. Combine that with 4-wheel steering, adaptive air suspension, and underbody cameras, and you've got a vehicle that can basically go anywhere. Inside, it's all about modern luxury meeting off-road toughness. You've got a large digital cockpit with 2 massive displays, premium materials, and a design that feels like a spaceship and a luxury truck had a baby. The transparent sky panels above can be removed to give you that open-air vibe, making it feel more like a convertible SUV. Of course, this EV concept is all about sustainability too. It's built on GM's Ultium platform, giving it a range estimated to be over 300 miles on a full charge. And with DC fast charging, you can get up to 100 miles of range in about 10 minutes. That's fast, practical, and perfect for the adventurous lifestyle GMC wants this truck to represent. So what does the 2025 Hummer EV Concept really represent? It's not just a revival of a name, it's a symbol of where performance and sustainability meet. It's about bringing muscle into the future without leaving luxury or responsibility behind. Whether you're into EVs, off-roading, or just want something that turns heads and breaks limits, the Hummer EV is a serious contender. Thanks for watching, and if you're into powerful machines, luxury rides, and futuristic designs, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. This is Luxury Car 001 signing off. Catch you in the next one.